going to start a corn stock.
Nice. So you guys really do use up every
We use
little
everything.
last bit. I love that.
That's a basic corn stock. I have onions, celery, corn stock, put a little bit of thyme in there.
And then you just put water on top?
Yep, just water on top. This is actually corn stock already made, so it's going to fortify the corn stock
so
even
you're just
further.
really reinforcing all those flavors.
It's really great corn
Nice.
flavor in there. While we're waiting for that, we're going to start the soup.
Just going to dice up an onion.
Just going to dice up an onion. It's a really simple recipe. Again, it's really showcasing the corn flavor.
Yeah, definitely.
Corn stock, little onion.
So we've got some onions, some garlic working.
Onions, garlic. Like I said, it's a very simple recipe. And since it is a pureed soup, you don't have to worry about knife cuts.
That's always good.
Which is nice.
Yeah.
So we got a little bit of oil in the pot. So we're just gonna sweat the onions and garlic a little bit.
Got to get all of them in there. So you're just looking to let those soften, get a little translucent.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, I don't want a whole lot of color on. I don't want that caramelized flavor. I want to keep it clean,
Yeah.
fresh corn flavor. So a little salt. So once you have a little bit of translucence going on here with the onions, a little white wine. I like to use Pinot Grigio again to keep it clean.
Yeah. Well, with 100 different bottles at the restaurant, you probably
Yes.
have your pick.
And then we're just going to add some corn.
Now, have you done anything to this corn? Because it looks like it's been sautéed or...
Has not been sauteed, it's been roasted a little bit.
Oh, a little roasted.
Yep.
Okay. Keeping secrets from us.
I do keep secrets.
As you should. You're the chef. A good magician never reveals his tricks.
So we're just going to let that cook down a little bit.
Okay. All right, so we're adding this corn stock in.
So typically I like to cook my corn stock for about a half an hour.
Okay.
For sake of time, we're going to use it right now.
All right.
So corn stock and then a little bit of heavy cream. Really
Nice.
smooth it out real
Just
nice.
add some richness to that.
Absolutely.
Did you put any herbs or any other aromatics in there? Or like you said, you just keep the corn?
All the aromatics and herbs are coming from the corn stock. So we're just going to keep it nice and clean.
Beautiful.
We're going to bring that up to a boil and then we're going to puree it. All right, so we're back to the soup. It's going to do a nice boil. Everything's getting nice and tender. We're going to puree it now.
Now, hot soup in a blender.
Hot soup in a blender.
Something we need to worry about?
A lot.
Okay.
Don't burn yourself. And also, big important thing is always use the lid.
Okay.
And don't fill it too far. Because it's hot
So
liquids tend to-
batches.
Do it in batches, yes. Otherwise, you could scald yourself, burn someone else,
Yeah.
and that's never fun for cooking.
Right. I may or may not have done that before.
It happens. Accidents always happen.
They do.
So,
I can't get over the color of this soup. It's so vibrant and yellow. It almost looks like you added like turmeric to it or saffron.
So remember those secrets that I was telling you about?
You did, didn't you?
I did. So I don't like using food coloring. I don't like using anything artificial. Nature has enough food coloring agents like red beets and turmeric and paprika.
Right.
You know, so there is a little bit of turmeric in here to make
see,
it
I
pop.
thought that was a very specific yellow.
Good eye.
Thanks.
Turn this on. What I'm trying to do is just get it really nice and creamy, nice and smooth. Another chef trick, add a little bit of butter. It just helps with the richness, the creaminess, the silkiness. As long as you have it nice and smooth. And it's okay to have it a little chunky. If you want some texture in your soup, you don't have to puree it all the way smooth. So we're just going to pour this into a bowl.
That color is incredible.
Nice hot corny soup.
You know what you're getting when you sit down to eat that bowl.
Yeah. So stay with the same ingredients. A little bit of basil pesto.
Yum.
Brightness. And some goat cheese.
That is so summery.